As an entrepreneur, is it hard for you to know when you've had a good day, when you can actually say, I've done enough and I can relax? Do you have these kinds of thoughts like, I should do one more thing, or I should be doing something, or what else can I do today? That was my problem. I needed a way to really organize my day for my business and for my life. So I came up with what I call the Super-8 strategy. And I guarantee your days are going to be filled with activities that actually move you forward in your business. And then you can relax at the end of your day and find time to do the things that you actually like to do, the things that you love to do. It has been said that our days are like identical suitcases. Even though they're all the same size, some people, they're actually able to pack more into their suitcases than others. The reason? They know how to pack. So what we're going to do today is we're going to tell you what you should pack or should be packing in your everyday. I have a handout that I'm going to put right here as a picture. You can get that down in the description so you can follow along and create your own Super-8 day. Join me. Hey there, wise woman. This is DeneenTB, your Christian business growth strategist and clarity coach. And I want to thank you for being here with me. And I want to remind you to subscribe to the channel if you like this content. Thanks. So on to our topic today. We're going to be talking about the Super-8 day strategy, all about packing the suitcase with activities that really you need to move forward, not just things that keep you busy. So let's start with what the Super-8 means. The Super-8 is really a strategy with 4 activity areas. There are 2 actions in each of these areas every single day. Now, this is the minimum. This is not something that you can just say, I've done 2 and I can stop if you have more time or if you want more time. But this is enough. So what are they? There are 4 areas, and the first one is income producing activities or tasks, 2 of those. Then there are business maintenance tasks or activities, 2 of those. Then there are relationship building activities or tasks, both professional and personal, 2 in that area. And then there are self-care activities and tasks, 2 in that area. These activities will really look different for each person depending on the industry that you're in. On the right-hand side of the handout, there's a space for you to brainstorm all of the possible activities in each area. Here's what it looked like for me as I went through all the iterations of what I have done in business. I know when I was in direct sales, I had hostesses to contact, team members to connect with, and customer service touches. When I began into the coaching realm, I was also running workshops and I was speaking. So my activities looked very different each day with scheduling I needed to do, creating content, writing it, and connecting. And now that my focus is only on coaching, it has gotten even more simplified with social media and sales calls. Now, it's important that you know the activities that are included in each of these areas for you and your business. That's why the brainstorming side is so important. You can use that Super-8 handout to give yourself really some concentrated time to think through and really audit all the activities that you're already doing in your business and place them into one of these 4 categories. Now remember, it's for your business and your life. So that's why we have to include personal and professional, relationship building, and self-care. You cannot do everything if you don't take care of yourself. Okay, so let's look at the box that has the income producing activities. You might have networking meetings down, or maybe sales calls, or sending invoices. In your business maintenance category, you might brainstorm things like recording purchases or using your QuickBooks if that's what you use, or creating content or organizing files. In your relationship activities, you can include personal, family, as well as business. As I said, it's not just about business. If you want to make it that way, you can, as long as you have another way that you're touching on those personal things as well. This means For your business, you could be joining an association, or you could be going to an annual conference, or you could just be having lunch with a friend, and you could be using social media to build those relationships. And of course, your health. This self-care is very important. You need to keep up with it so you can do all the other things that you need to do. You cannot neglect this daily on your Super-8. It includes things like your nutrition, exercise, your time with God, obviously, and really taking special days off. These are all really important. Now, remember, every single day is going to look different. And some days it actually doesn't go as planned. And you can readjust your day. And you can readjust your week doing it this way. When you're working with this Super-8 like mind frame, you're actually able to do this because you actually give yourself like that wiggle room between the things that you already know you want to get done. You know, your suitcase is full each day. It's not stuffed so that you can't close it or you need to like jump up and down on it to get everything in there. You see my point, right? So let me know down in the comments, how is your suitcase right now? How does that suitcase look right now? Are you overstuffed and getting little done because you can't even find it in there? Or do you fill it up as the day goes on with more and more things because you're trying to get just one more thing done? Is it not even actually full? Maybe you're on the opposite side with your suitcase, because you're not really being consistent in working your business each and every day. And so you just leave it there and there's nothing really in it. You don't know what to put in it. Let me know down in the description. Let's start a conversation. Let's see how we can help you put the right things and the right amount in your suitcase. At this point, we need to chat about what to do once you have all these activities brainstormed out. This is where you actually fill in your daily planner or agenda or whatever you call it. Each day can look very different in your week, but each day should have at least these 8 activities, 2 in each area. Remember, income producing, business maintenance, relationship building, and self-care. All right. So I know for me, I do better at things like writing my content for my scripts, my blogs, and social media in the morning. So I want to put those types of activities there earlier in the day. So those are a lot of business maintenance activities. In fact, I actually reserve certain days for my writing. Monday is a great day for me, and Friday is also a great day. I have other activities that I can do at the same time. So I kind of stack those habits, stack those things together. For example, I eat a healthy lunch every single day because I've prepared the food on Sunday for my lunches during the week. And every day I usually take a walk. So I will eat lunch and then I will take a walk. So I've stacked those 2 self-care items together. The first thing that goes into my planner, though, are the appointments that I have each week. Now, I assign where each one fits into my Super-8, and then I work around each of them to fill in the other activities that I'm lacking. But I'm going to give you an example here, and I'm going to try to put it up here next to me. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but we'll try. We'll put it right here. Let's just give you a couple of examples of what a typical day might look like. So let's talk about 8 o'clock. If I go to networking, that is actually income producing and relationship building. At 9:30, it's my day to go to Bible study. So that is relationship and it's also personal. Okay. Then I have my 11 a.m. sales call with a potential client. That's income producing. And then 12:30, I've got lunch at home and a 30-minute walk. Again, that's personal and health, right? And then we have 2 o'clock, create the next 10 days of Instagram messages. That's my maintenance. And at 4 o'clock, organize contacts. Again, maintenance. But another day could look very different. It could look something like this. At 7 a.m., I'm doing my Bible study, prayer, and Pilates. So that's my personal self-care, right? And it's my health. It's all health right for there. And then at 9 o'clock, I'm doing my writing content, and that's maintenance. And then at 12, I have a lunch meeting, so that can be income and relationship. 2 in 1 stone is always great. And then at 2 o'clock, a Zoom call with my partner. This is maintenance and relationship with my team. And then at 4 o'clock, doing invoices is part of income. And then at 7 o'clock, a massage. I've got another personal and health or self-care for the day. So I hope this just gives you a little bit of an idea of how simple it can be to fill up your suitcase. Here it is. Fill up your suitcase, organize your day with just the 8 activities. You can really trust that you know that you are doing well. Many times you can actually get more done in a day once you actually get this into a routine with how you want to pack your days. You have a plan as to how you're going to do that, and you'll be able to judge how much time it takes you to get certain things done. Just 8 things per day are enough, though. Why? Because, again, as I said, it leaves room in your schedule for those unexpected things that sometimes really must take precedence. Maybe you have an illness that comes up for yourself or someone in your home, or you have some other type of emergency. Okay, so here's the question. What type of inspiration has the Super-8 day given to you so far? Is there a takeaway that you'd love to share with me? I would love to know down in the comments. What are you thinking about? What's going through your head at this point about creating a Super-8 day? Let me know. Wise woman, I want you to feel successful no matter what you're doing each day. I love the reminder that 1 Corinthians 10:31 gives us. It says, so whether you eat or drink or whatever you do, do all for the glory of God. With this as your focus, you can never go wrong, right? I know. Remember to get your Super-8 day strategy handout. I've put the link down in the description because I want you to start filling up your suitcase so that you can actually carry it for a really long time without having any struggle. God has called you into your business so that you can serve him by serving others. Do it with excellence by filling up the suitcase, your day, in the best way for you. This is DeneenTB. Thanks for staying to the end. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Have a great rest of your day. And as always, be filled to overflowing.